Hi guys, it's me Nick and I'm gonna show you my night routine. So, eto po yung mga gagawin ko before ako matulog. Actually, this is my step by step na mga nilalagay sa katawan, sa mukha, and of course, para mapanatiling fresh, sariwa, at mukhang bata. Chares! So, actually, I'm gonna be using this glow. I don't know if you can see it. This one, the Glow Up Whip Wash Power Brightening by White Korea. So I definitely love this facial wash, guys, kasi ano siya, nakaka-fresh. And then for my body, kailangan tayo maging super fresh kasi hindi tayo bumabata, guys. Tayo ay pasulok. Tayo ay, we're aging, but we are preventing aging. So, for my soap, I'm gonna be using the Snail White Whip Soap for, I think meron din siyang niacinamide that helps brighten the skin. So, yun lang naman. And then, after ko maligo, let's continue my night routine. Okay? So, stay with me, guys! Hi, guys! And as you can see, kakatapos ko lang talaga maligo. And basta pa yung hair ko. And yes, nakaka-fresh. And it's so amazing. Amazing! After talaga ng magandang magandang bath, ay umiinom ako ng drink. And etong drink na to is, of course, or siyang let me just get that. I think, as you can see, guys, tingnan nyo, medyo nag-yellow. Shit. So yun, nag-yellow na siya, pero masarap siya, guys. Papatuyuin lang natin. Oh, nice. Actually, para siyang ice cream. So, next naman natin gagawin after kong uminom para lang ma-refresh na ako ulit inside my body. I'll let you see how I do my night routine. Okay? So, stay with me. So guys, eto na yung step by step na night routine ko bago matulog si Nick Yamete Kudasai. First is gagamit tayo ng Dr. Ian's toner. So eto yung first na ginagamit ko. So maglalagay lang ako ng small portion and then I'm gonna use and rub it all over my face. So, and then of course, here the side my skin, make sure that my skin is all set. Hindi siya pwede na one-sided lang. Okay? Also, ginagamit ko is inaano ko dito sa may nose area ko. And the other side is dito sa aking eye area. And then, another cotton for my neck area. Dito daw nakikita yung age ng tao. The next thing I'm gonna use, actually guys, may dalawa akong serum. The first one is this one, the GKU Snap 8 Peptide Serum. So it's anti-wrinkle, firmness, deeply nourishing, and it's Rian. So na natin, guys. So lagay natin ito. Actually, parang inaano ko lang siya. And then also the neck area. And then ginaganon ko siya, guys. Okay. So make sure also to include your neck. And then, gagamitan ko lang ng electric fan para mabilis siyang mag-dry, ma-absorb ng skin. Kasi may second serum pa tayo, guys, na i-apply. So I guess done na. Next naman nating i-apply na serum. Di ba may first serum ako na ginamit? So the second serum will be the Glad to Glow PDRN, the color pink. And it's a brightening serum with niacinamide and TXA. Apply na natin guys. So, generous amount talaga ilalagay. And as you can see, kinakalat-kalat ko siya guys. Sa all over my face. Sa all over my face. My God. And then again, the same steps. Spread your wings and prepare to fly. So, ganun lang talaga, no? Balat, guys. So, to the neck part. Kasi gusto ko talaga na may kasali yung neck, guys, na mag-stand out. Hindi lang youthful and blooming neck. Blooming neck. Hindi lang pala cheeks ang blooming. No? Pati pala yung neck part. And then once again, gamitan ko siya ng electric fan to dry it up and absorb ng skin natin ng bilis. I really love how these ingredients sa skin. It's like pagkain ng skin natin. Kaya mabilis siyang ma-absorb. Para naman fresh, no? Kahit wala tayong mga jowa, guys. Basta fresh lang tayo and beautiful looking, it's okay. The neck part. And I guess it's done. The next step I'm gonna be applying on my face before I sleep is the Glad to Glow PDRN Niacinamide plus TXA Brightening Moisturizer. So this is very important guys kasi minsan mabilis mag-dry yung ating mga balat. So kailangan natin ng moisturizer even during the night. So let's apply. So guys, kumuha na ako ng portion na ilalagay ko sa aking skin. So, ganyan lang. And then, lalagay ko din dito. And then, sa may nose part. And then, sa may here. And then, sa may neck part. Small amount lang. Mabilis siya kasing mag-absorb yung moisturizer. Ayan, pink na ang ating blush. Your neck deserves better. Okay, the next part that I'm gonna be applying is the Vaseline Rose lips. It's to soften my lips and make it more pinkish. So I'm just gonna use my bare hands. It's clean. And just gonna apply dun lang sa mga areas na I think na it needs more pinkish appearance. And then kasi deserve din ng mga lips natin ng pinkish na appearance and soft, plump. Okay, so that's it. And lastly, I'm also gonna be applying this one. It's Deo Flex. Actually, ginagamit siya sa armpits, but I'm also gonna be using this para anti-balbas yung mga sumpa. Piniprevent din niya aside sa mga tinitake natin ng mga HRT, of course, mga androcore, anti-testosterone. So, pwede din ito para panglagay dyan sa mga areas na yung tubuan. Para hindi na siya matubuan, of course. So, spread mo lang. Kuha ka lang ng small amount or generous amount para, iwas sumpa lang talaga guys. Yun. So, kung intact na po lahat ng mga creams and mga serums na nilagay ko sa aking mukha, the next step And then sa aking lips din pala. The next step is to put this Sanisa Hydro Gel Eye Patch, which is aloe vera made, 98%. So, inilalagay ko siya dito sa mga under eye ko kasi, di ba, madalas tayong puyat, tsaka matagal matulog. So, kailangan natin itong eye patch na to. So, kukuha na ako ng eye patch. Actually, nagiging routine ko na talaga. It's a must na talaga na may ako, eye patch. Nilalagay sa aking eyes, of course. So, ganito lang siya ilagay, guys. Para to contacts. Yan. Yan. And then the other one, sa kabilang banda. Yan lang siya, guys. Usog natin. Yan. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Nilalagay ko siya under eye just to make my eye looks fresh yung sa under eye ko, and then mawala yung mga puffiness tsaka yung eye bag. So yan, overnight ko lang yan ina-apply. Okay, next, second to the last step na ina-apply ko sa aking mukha daily is this Estan. Newly discovered ko to sa TikTok, guys. Bio Collagen Anti-Wrinkle Gel Mask. So, ina-apply ko siya sa aking face. It's like parang akong nagpa-facial, guys. Diba? Hindi naman tayo always nagpapa-facial sa salon. Kasi aside sa time-consuming, medyo pricey din siya, guys. To be honest. If you're on a tight budget, so you need to look for other alternatives. So, ito yung naging tatry ko to. Okay? I mean, natry ko na siya, guys, pero papakita ko lang sa inyo how do I apply this Estan gel mask. Ganito siya. Okay? And then, lalagay ko lang siya. Ano ko ba ito? I-apply. Itong upper niya, guys. Yan, dito siya. Rubber. Yan siya ilalagay, guys. Yan. Yan mo lang. Ganyan. And then yung isa, guys, ito. Sa upper part naman siya ng eyes. Yan mo lang siya. Spread mo lang. Laki kasi ng mukha natin, no? Liit ng mask. Okay, buksan natin kasi siya, naka-subdivide. Mask of Zorro na to, guys. Siya, guys. Sensitive, so kailangan dikit mo na mabuti. Yan. Nasira siya, guys. Pero okay lang yan kasi didikit naman talaga siya. So ganito lang siya, guys. So ididikit mo lang talaga siya na mabuti para naman hindi naman siya ganun katingnan. And before ako matulog, hindi pa tapos, guys. I'll make sure sa katawan naman, sa body ko, is I'm gonna use this Retinol Bright. Panggabi siya, guys. Hindi siya pwede pang umaga, okay? Panggabi lang siya to boost my glowing skin sa gabi. And 24-hour moisture, fast absorption, visibly improves the skin, and pleasant yung fragrance niya, guys. Pag sa umaga naman, ito yung ginagamit ko, which is the Niacinamide Bright Body Serum. So, as you can see, gamit na gamit ko talaga siya during daytime. So, para maging more glow yung skin natin, aside sa mga tinitake ko ng mga capsules, HRT, Bamba Fresh, so vitamin C and all of those. So, talagang yun talaga yung aking ginagamit. So, ngayon, mag-a-apply na lang ako nitong retinol and I'm good to go. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video sa aking night routine. Ito talaga yung gabi-gabi kong ginagawa, guys. Pag wala ako sa work and hindi ako ganun ka-busy, I'll make sure that I make pamper my skin, I make time for myself, and ayun, para maging maging more beautiful tayo inside and of course outside. So again, thank you guys. Have a good night's sleep and see you to my next vlog. Bye-bye.